In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Deepseek as an extension in Visual Studio Code. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have Deepseek set up and ready to help you write and understand code directly inside your editor. First, make sure you have Visual Studio Code open on your computer. Once it's running, look at the left-hand sidebar. You'll see several icons there. Find the one that looks like a set of blocks or squares, which is the extensions icon, and click on it. This opens the extensions view, where you can search for and manage all your VS Code extensions. At the top of this extensions panel, there's a search bar. Click into that search bar and type the word continue. This will filter the results to show an extension called continue. Once you see it in the list, click on the extension to open its details page. Here, you'll see a description, some screenshots, and an install button. Go ahead and click install. Give it a few moments to download and set up. When the installation is complete, the extension will be ready to use, and you might see a new icon appear in the sidebar. Next, look again at the left-hand sidebar and find the new continue icon that has been added by the extension. Click on that icon to open the continue panel inside Visual Studio Code. This is where you will configure the model that the extension will use. Inside the continue panel, locate the option to select the mode or provider. Click on select mode, and from the available options, choose Deepseek. After selecting Deepseek, you'll need to pick the specific model. Click on Model and then choose Deepseek Coder as your model. This tells the extension to use the Deepseek Coder model for its AI-assisted coding features. Now you need to connect your Deepseek account so the extension can actually talk to the model. Open your web browser and go to your Deepseek platform account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the section where your API keys are managed, usually labeled something like API key or API access. Create or locate your existing API key, then copy it. Go back to Visual Studio Code and return to the Continue Extension Settings or Configuration area. Find the field where it asks for your API key and paste the key you just copied from the Deepseek platform. Once the key is in place, the extension should be fully connected. That's it. Deepseek is now installed and configured in Visual Studio Code, and you're ready to start using it to assist with your coding.